This tutorial will show you how to make a cute or quirky headband using leftover chiffon, organza, or similar lightweight materials. Download the free pattern using the link in the description below, and follow along with the step-by-step headband tutorial. The first step is to arrange your fabric scraps. Make a collage with your fabric scraps and lay them out however you like. It doesn't matter if it's too long for the pattern, as long as it's not too short. Remember to overlap the fabric pieces to account for the seam allowance. Now we're going to start sewing the pieces together. Because this is a lightweight fabric, we're going to make French seams between all of the scrap pieces. So start by sewing 2 scrap pieces together with wrong sides together. And then you want to sew a narrow seam that is only 1/4 inch. Now you want to flip the fabric over the stitches and sew it with right sides together. When you flip the fabric around, you'll see that you now have the edge of the fabric enclosed inside the seam so that there are no raw edges visible. After you sew it, press the seam towards whichever side of fabric is darker or more opaque. You want to repeat this process for all the seams of your scrap pieces. Once you finish sewing all of your scrap pieces together, you want to cut out the headband pattern. For the lining, you can make another collage in the same way as you did the front of the headband. Or if you have a more neutral color as backing, with right sides together, sew the front and the back of the headband. Be sure to leave a gap somewhere along the way so that you can turn it to the right side. Clip the corners and trim the seams to make it nice and neat. And then turn the headband to the right side, and then press it and sew up the gap. And that's it. You have finished your lightweight scrappy headband.